Hello, first of all, wish you a very happy new year, guys. And I'm in a sari, so yes, this is sari with a Soch episode number two in a vlog. And I know I started it last year. I wanted to do this because I really love talking and sharing my experiences and help out people if I can in best of my ability, best of my understanding. But things were really tight for a while, and now this year अभी भी ज़िंदगी में ट्रबल सब कुछ वो तो चलता ही रहेगा. लाइक संघर्ष इज़ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, राइट. सो उससे आगे बढ़ना है. दिस इज व्हाट माय हस्बैंड टोल्ड मी एंड आई एम टेकिंग इट एज अ मंत्रा फॉर 2026 एंड दिस इज माय न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन टू दैट आई विल बी हियर प्रेजेंट इन दिस स्पेस for you guys. Thank you for all the love you have given me, all the good comments I receive, and all the motivation in my inbox. You keep guys flooding good DMs and everything. I read sometimes even if I can't reply. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Okay, so let's start this. But before starting, let me show you my sari first. So I went for an event and I came back and I thought, why not do this thing? So this is my sari. It has 3 colors and this sari is an example of patchwork. Why? Because every bit of the sari has cut into different fabrics and then sewed it all together. So you can see even these, ये जो color change हो रहा है ना, these are different pieces of fabrics stitched together. So this is it. This is called patchwork. I mean the name suggests, that's why it's patchwork. पैच बना बना के उनको एक साथ स्टिच करके साड़ी बना दी गई. ये वेरी डिफरेंट क्राफ्ट, वेरी very beautiful sari. I feel I got it from Delhi Heart, and I personally like shopping from Delhi Heart and all the exhibitions, etc. But if I have to really recommend you, do visit Surajkund if you are in Delhi, or if you are from Delhi or around, because Surajkund Mela has some really good artists coming in, like Padma Shri level वाले, और उनका जो स्टफ़ होता है, जो क्वालिटी होता है, जो वर्क होता है, ऑब्वियसली उसमें वो क्लास अपार्ट होता है. उसमें कोई डाउट ही नहीं है कि वो ओरिजिनल होगा या नहीं होगा, कितना ऑथेंटिक है कितना नहीं है. अदरवाइज़ बहुत सारी जगह पे ऑथेंटिक जो नई चीज़ें होती हैं, लेकिन क्योंकि हमें भी नहीं पता है तो वो उल्लू बना देते हैं. येस ऑफ कोर्स. तो दैट इज़ वाई इफ़ यू आर बाइंग सम पर्टिकुलर क्राफ्ट, तो गो फॉर समबडी लाइक हु हैज़ सर्टेन वो ना सर्टिफिकेशन टू इट. बाकी ये तो पैच वर्क है, ये आपको कहीं मिल जाएगा. यू कैन एक्चुअली वो ना आप देख के बता दोगे ओके पैच वर्क है, बाकी कितना बारीक है कितना वो है. इट्स डिफरेंट प्राइस, डिफरेंटली प्राइज एंड डिफरेंट डिज़ाइंस एंड वो सब होता है. तो चलो अब हो गई साड़ी की बात. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू आवर टॉपिक. सो आज के लिए मैंने सोचा है कि आई विल टॉक अबाउट दिस लास्ट टॉपिक आई वंस डिड इन अ शॉर्ट, एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल एक्चुअली टेक्स्ट मी कि हाउ दे फाउंड इट टू बी वेरी रिलेटेबल. So it's postpartum time and new mother, baby, like as a new mother how to take care of baby. I don't need to tell you, I don't need to teach you. You all know very well, you are doing well if you are a new mother. So I'm gonna cover few questions which I keep on getting like in repetition from different women. So let me just one by one cover those because मैंने कुछ तो 2-4 लिख के रखे हैं. तो okay. So one of the question which I keep getting is कि how to lose weight. You look at me and you feel कि you want to lose weight because you look at me and you want to be like this figure. I personally want to tell you I do have a mom belly like pouch, जो कि जनरली सिजेरियन मॉम्स को होता है. yes. तो and it's okay, like at times मुझे लगता था कि क्यों है, लेकिन नाउ आई रियलाइज कि आई हैव गिवन बर्थ, आई हैव क्रिएटेड लाइफ, तो इट्स ओके. आई कैन गिव सम क्रेडिट टू माई सेल्फ. इट्स ऑल ओके. माई बॉडी हैज़ बीन थ्रू अ लॉट. 2 बार चीर फाड़ करके उसमें से 2 बच्चे निकाले गए, तो इट्स ऑल ओके. सेकेंडली, अगर आपका बच्चा 1 साल तक का नहीं हुआ है अभी, तो आई फील यू शुड नॉट वरी अबाउट वेट एट ऑल. Just take care of your health, take care of your mental health, take care of your baby routine and everything, because there is lot of things you must be learning. You are on your journey, there are different things you are adapting, because the birthing is that one thing in the world where you go through absolute pain, whether it's a natural delivery or it's cesarean one, and you are supposed to take care of another life including yours within like few hours. So येस, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द हार्डेस्ट थिंग। बेशक कितना भी नेचुरल हो, बिकॉज इसको सेंचुरी से औरतें कर रही हैं, जो कि बोला जाता है कि इतने ज़मानों से भी तो औरतें कर रही थी, फलाना फलाना। तो गिव योर सेल्फ सम क्रेडिट, लव योर सेल्फ अ लिटिल मोर, give your body some credit, love your body. The minute you will start loving your body, you will not worry about this weight. Eat well, because that's how you will be able to feed your baby, because that's the one question I keep getting, how to increase the supply. So first, obviously, consult a doctor. Secondly, milk is, as per my understanding, milk is mainly water, so drink lot of water and eat good food, healthy food. Keep fruits in your diet, and keep some nuts and all in the morning, and that is all. अगर आप घर का खाना खाओगे, anyway you will reduce your weight within few months or maybe in a year or so. और नहीं भी होता है तो ठीक है, every body is different, every body behave differently. Like even if you are pregnant, you get lot of different, किसी को शुगर होता है, किसी को बीपी का इशू होता है, किसी को थायराइड होता है, हॉर्मोन्स गोइंग अप एंड डाउन, वो तो किसी स्केल पे आ ही नहीं रहा है, लाइक नोबडी इज इवन टॉकिंग अबाउट हॉर्मोन्स, तो वो तो इंटायरली डिफरेंट चीज़ है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन मोर क्वेश्चन आई कीप गेटिंग इज द पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन. तो lot of people make fun of it, even being a woman, because they are just privileged to not been through that. Some people have very supportive environment and still they get it, because it's very controversial and very different topic. Like it's not related to how much comfort you are having in life. It's more like when you become a mother, there is lot of responsibilities, there are different things going with your body, there are hormones, there is other stuff also. So if people around you are not helping you emotionally, physically and mentally, so yes, you can get down with this thing, and it's really really horrible. So take good care of your mental health, especially mental health and emotional health. और फिजिकल हेल्थ भी रखनी है, क्योंकि समटाइम्स हॉर्मोन्स आर द रीज़न यू वेंट डाउन विद दिस पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन. बट थोड़ा बहुत किसी को बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, किसी को बहुत कम होता है. तो इन एनी केस, इफ़ यू फील यू आर वन ऑफ द विक्टिम, मे बी सीक हेल्प within your circle, share it with your husband if he is not able to understand, because most guys are like very delusional in their world. Most brown guys are Indian guys are like raja beta syndrome, and they never get out of it. है थोड़ा सा, it's like our society wired this way. I won't say कि लड़कों के साथ है, लड़कियों के साथ भी है. We also have lot of issues with us, because this is our society, is this is what how we were wired since the birth. ऐसे हमारी अपब्रिंगिंग ऐसे हुई है, तो हम उन चीज़ों को एकदम सिस्टम से निकाल नहीं सकते हैं. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नो मैटर आपके साथ कितना बुरा हो रहा है ना, बट यू वुड वॉन्ट कि भाई मुझे फैमिली इंटैक्ट रखनी है, मुझे सब कुछ ठीक रखना है. इट्स वो ना, आई डोंट वॉन्ट द ब्लेम ऑफ ब्रेकिंग अ फैमिली. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू डू थिंग्स वेयर पीपल विल ब्लेम मी कि ओके शी इज़ द वन, शी इज़ द ट्रबल मेकर एंड ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स, इवन दो यू आर द वन जिसके साथ गलत हो रहा है. वाई? बिकॉज वी वर मेड दिस वे. वी सॉ आर मदर सफरिंग थ्रू देयर लाइफ, through and through. We saw it, and we saw her as like देवी जिसने फैमिली को बचा के और जोड़ के रखा. तो we should follow the same thing, right? So this is I have learned too, and it took me years to unlearn that thing, and probably मुझे अभी तक नहीं आया है, लेकिन I will teach that thing to my daughter. Yes. तो यानी वो मुद्दे से चलो भटकते नहीं हैं, वापस आते हैं घूम के. So I was talking about this कि अगर आप your husband is not understanding, maybe share it with a friend, share it with your mother, share it with anyone what you are feeling. Maybe share it with an unknown friend, share it on social media, make a fake account, yeah, share it there, no face account, something, anything, whatever can help you to get through is. Secondly, what I personally would want you to do, read books, because it gives you glimpse, and talk to other mothers openly and freely, but not to the women who are snake from within. People who can really get you and who can understand your journey or been through similar kind of journey. Yes, because they can help you, and maybe this is why I get lot of DMs, and whenever I get these kind of DMs, I always reply. I always try to reply, because it reminds me of myself, because when I gave birth to both my kids, I went through this thing. Jabki in like situation was different. In first pregnancy my husband was not there, so that was the main issue there. And in second pregnancy, I mean after the delivery, I again went into postpartum because lot of things were not aligning. He was always busy. I was taking care of two kids. I was literally isolated. I had no one to talk to, no one to turn to. So there were a lot of things, and obviously taking care of two kids is not alone is not really easy. So hats off to you if you are doing it, and more power to you. उसके बाद let's talk about other people making you feel guilty about the mode of birth or your baby weight, because दिस शॉर्ट आई डिड, वहाँ पे मुझे किसी ने यही क्वेश्चन किया था कि उनको हॉस्पिटल में जो भी मिलने के लिए आया, या फिर उनकी शायद मदर इन लॉ थी, उन्होंने उनको बोला कि तुम तो उतनी ही मोटी लग रही हो इवन आफ्टर गिविंग बर्थ. तो आई कुड रिलेट एंड इट मेड माई ब्लड बॉयल, एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट मेड मी फील सो बैड, बिकॉज दैट्स द एग्जैक्ट सेम थिंग आई हर्ड from my mother-in-law after giving birth. She taunted, और just probably उनके हिसाब से taunt नहीं होगा, लेकिन मुझे लगा या जो भी था, it's one of the gaslighting thing when people think कि वो बस normally कुछ भी बोल देंगे आपको, they can throw any insult at you. तो she said it कि उतनी ही मोटी लग रही है, कोई फ़र्क ही नहीं आया है. मैंने तो जब बच्चा पैदा करती मैं तो एक दिन में flat हो जाती थी, which is not possible to be honest, which is not scientifically possible, but she was claiming it, and at first I brushed it off. Second time again she said it, so I laughed. Third time I felt bad, but I just said कि okay आपका टाइम अलग था, हमारा टाइम अलग है. Fourth time then again she said it like in a light manner in front of other people. तो I was like कि ठीक है, मेरा पेट, मैं मोटी, मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, तो आपको क्या पड़ रहा है. And then she started feeling bad. So this is the problem with these people. So anyway, the point is कि obviously don't take insult and don't take it to your heart. Yes, so follow either one or both, but don't take it to your heart. वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा to help yourself better, because these are the things which makes you feel really insecure about your own body. And if you are not loving yourself enough, if you are insensitive and insecure and there are other things piling up, low self esteem आप खुद का हो रहा है आपका ये सब चीज़ें सुन के, तो you won't be able to keep your emotions in control, and that will lead to postpartum depression. And if you are dealing with a postpartum depression, how can you take care of your child? सो उससे मैं एक और चीज़ शेयर करना चाहूँगी कि चाहे आप एक जॉइंट फैमिली में रहो या फिर आप अकेले बच्चे देख रहे हो, कोई आपका बच्चा नहीं पालने वाला है आपके लिए. पीपल से इट कि हम हेल्प करेंगे, हम पाल देंगे, हम ये कर देंगे, कोई कुछ नहीं करता है. आई गिव बर्थ टू माई डॉटर व्हेन आई वॉज विद फैमिली, nobody did shit, and I alone did anything. I was giving her bath even though I had a cesarean. After 6 days I was the one giving her bath. I did everything alone because come on, like nobody do anything and it's okay. मुझे लगता है कि आपको एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं करनी चाहिए. जब आप एक्सपेक्ट करना छोड़ देते हो तो आपको हर्ट होना बंद हो जाता है, या फिर कम हो जाता है. बंद तो शायद नहीं होगा, लेकिन आपको कम हो जाएगा हर्ट होना. So this is one thing I feel कि you should follow, because next time when I gave birth to my son, I was all alone. I had no relative from first day. For first 10 days I was with my mother, then I moved, I was alone. For next 15 days I couldn't even find a maid because I moved to a new station and maid नहीं मिल रही थी. मुझे कोई full time maid चाहिए थी. तो for next 15 days I did not have any maid. फिर उसके बाद maid मिली, फिर वो maid set नहीं हो पाई. Then I again changed a maid. She was stealing, then again changed. So there was like I kept shuffling through maids, but कोई भी fit नहीं हो पाई थी. My bad luck. लेकिन फिर भी if I look back, तो I see there was this some sense of peace within me, because I was alone and I knew I am alone and nobody's gonna rescue me. I am here in this. It was my decision to be a mother second time. I knew how hard it's gonna be. I knew I have one more child to take care, and still I thought of it, I planned it, so I wanted this thing. So yes, it's okay, however difficult it is gonna be, I'm gonna do this. So that was it. उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे कि there are lot of women who keep asking me कि how did you like वो ना take care of your 2 kids together. तो to be honest, I am gonna be very like candid with you कि it's difficult if you have 2 kids and if you're gonna be giving birth in few months or so. तो you will realize soon after it's very difficult. Maybe at times you will feel कि the biggest mistake of your life was planning another baby, specifically when you don't have any help. But remember, remind yourself, remember, keep reminding yourself that this is what you wanted. This baby is a blessing. You wanted this, you planned for this, you prayed for this, and it's okay. There will be difficult moments, but you have to get through it, go through this, and it will work out for the best. Because right now I'm talking to you and there is no TV on in my home right now, and both my kids are playing. बीच बीच में चिल्लाने की आवाज़ आ रही होगी, लड़ाई भी कर रहे होंगे, लेकिन वो खेल रहे हैं. So yes, see, you can hear. So yes, this is it. Just matter of few years and all will be well. इनिशियली थोड़ा सा इशू होगा, स्पेशली बड़े बच्चे के साथ, क्योंकि बड़े बच्चे बहुत बड़े बच्चे नहीं हैं. When if I have to look back at my journey as a new mother of two, तो there was one moment I had fever of 102. मुझे बुखार हो रखा था. Sky was down with 101, Tara was down with 101. We all of us had viral. Not my husband, but he was not there. He was in the office till 12 a.m. in the morning. He was in the office, and I remember both my kids were very obviously cranky. They both had fever, that too viral. तो and I myself had 102 fever, and मैं उन दोनों को ऐसे गोद में लेके लेटी हूँ, and I cried for 2 hours straight, thinking about my life, my decision, and why I ended up here, and lot of other things. I partially even told my husband, why did I marry you? Because I married you, that's why I am in this mess. If I had married somebody who was not a part of army, so maybe I would have had easier life and lot of other stuff, mean stuff, and I'm not really proud of it. But we all have those kind of moments, like where we don't feel like ourselves, and in that weakness, in मुश्किल टाइम में हो जाता है. तो इट्स ऑल ओके नाउ, एंड स्टिल व्हेन आई लुक बैक दैट टाइम, तो मे बी इट मेड मी रियली रियली sad. It still makes me sad. I'm feeling a lump in my throat as I'm talking about it, but it also gives me some kind of strength कि नेहा, you went through that, so you can go through anything in life. It's all okay. So yes, it's all okay. There will be moments where your other elder kid will be crying and cursing you and whatever, but one advice I can give you as a mother, and probably somebody who is raising 2 kids, in initial first year, do not neglect your elder child, because your little one, they won't remember anything. If they are crying for 2 extra minutes, they won't remember. Anyway, they poop, cry, sleep, and burp and feed. That's their whole schedule. Crying is part of their schedule. But if your elder one is crying, who are like 2 or 3 years old, they will remember each and every detail, and it will be heartbreaking for them in upcoming years. They will feel replaced, they will feel neglected, they will feel lot of emotions we cannot really wrap our head around. So it's better to give them full attention, treat them even better than before, so that they don't feel this urge of competing with the sibling. They rather feel that this sibling or the new member is part of their family, and after coming this little one, things have not changed for the elder one. It's even got better. My mom even loves me more now, ऐसे करके. तो you have to create that situation. It's gonna be difficult, but ये ही स्ट्रगल हैं जो आपको करने पड़ेंगे to make your life and family happy and peaceful. Because come on, we can't be those parents जो कि पुराने टाइम वाले कुछ पेरेंट्स ना, कुछ नहीं, 80% पेरेंट्स मे बी who have created like this big void within families by doing favoritism within their own kids and treating them differently. और इन बच्चों में आप और इन families में देखोगे, बड़े होने के बाद nobody cares about each other. वो एक दूसरे को साल में एक बार कॉल कर लेना, वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात है, और ऐसा होता है. आई हैव सीन इट. एक चांस मिलेगा, दे विल वो ना कट ईच अदर ऑफ, कुछ भी कर लेंगे. लेकिन व्हेन योर फैमिली टीचेज यू, योर मदर और पेरेंट फादर टीचेज यू अदरवाइज, तो नहीं होता है. एंड दैट शुड बी योर गोल, बिकॉज हैविंग अ किड इज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू यू, बट getting one more kid in the family is a responsibility, in a way that you make sure that both the siblings go through life with each other, by each other's side, help each other, look after each other through and through, because कम ऑन नाउ डेज देर आर न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज एंड जब बड़ी होती थी ना तब भी कोई घंटा किसी को किसी से फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था, और आजकल तो हम न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज़ में रह रहे हैं तो कौन ही किसका ध्यान रखने वाला है. लाइक the reason I had second kid was because I never wanted a second kid after Tara, but within a year I realized I want a second kid, because I realized ki okay, because of Forge my kid won't be able to see her cousins and etc, and उसको जो उसके कजन्स होने चाहिए या फिर जो फैमिली होनी चाहिए, पीपल हु आर सपोज टू मीट हर एंड ग्रीट हर, दे आर नॉट कमिंग अराउंड. भाई नो बडी इज़ कमिंग अराउंड. और तब तो हम पास में भी रह रहे हैं, जब हम दूर जाएंगे तब तो कोई भी नहीं आएगा. तो when she grows big तो she will need a support system, and obviously we will be there for her anytime anywhere, but एक peer group वाला अलग होता है, तो we want a sibling for her. तो that was our part reason, and obviously we wanted to feel और enjoy parenthood more and more, so that is it. वो कभी और बात करेंगे. तो ये था मेरा postpartum और things related to motherhood which you need to know or understand maybe, or take from my experience as a mother of two. And if you have similar kind of questions, anything you want me to talk about, any topic, please write it down in comment section. I will go through it, and next video I will make regarding the same. So please write something which you feel lot of people can relate to or I can talk about. It will be really easy for me to think about the topic and just go through it, because and I am sorry if somewhere you feel offended, bad or anything. I did not mean to, and I'm sorry if something along the line I went off road and कुछ sense नहीं बन रहा था उस चीज़ का, because honestly I don't make script and all, because I cannot really go through script. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I started this channel as like very unfiltered, very real, very candid thing. तो उस चीज़ का पर्पस ख़त्म हो जाएगा अगर मैं स्क्रिप्ट बनाना शुरू कर दूँगी. So that's why I am not doing it. I won't do it. So this is it, guys. Hype this video if you like it. Share it with a new mother. Share with somebody who might need it and who can relate with it. And welcome your family and friends to my channel, please. And thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Let's see you in another episode. But next video I'm gonna post is Tara's birthday vlog. That will be next, maybe after 2 days. Okay, so on this note, bye bye. Take care. Have a good day. Happy New Year once again. Don't forget to hype the video. Bye.